So start with the first part, why R. So before that, we need to know what is R basically. R is a programming language, as Dr. Mushfiq said already. It's originated from S language uh, and was built by New Zealand New Zealandan scientists who were statistician, and then it became famous after a while. And it's very famous because it's free and open source. You do not need to pay anything, and you just need to install it and start using it. It is very famous for statistical computing power. We can do all sorts of statistical analysis with R, even when we need a very high computing power with even HPC with the server. We can use R for that as well. So it's also a powerful computational tool as well. It's feature rich. It has almost 24 packages only in Crank R database. Also, the presentation you see today, my presentation was built in R. And R can produce reports, can produce interactive reports, reproducible reports that you can readily show to your supervisors or to the meeting anywhere. And those features is called Quarto and R Markdown, which is a little bit part of that advanced R. And it's produced very good publication quality graphics. And that is why it is also so famous. And overall, if one learn this R, he can transfer these skills. It's called transferable skills. You can use your skill to anywhere, basically, where there is a need for data analysis. So basically, my position is bioinformatician is also important because of the capacity of data analysis. But R is not a statistician, so you need to validate and verify all of your results yourself. And also, it is not the very best programming language. We know there are many other programming language which is superior than R. The developers, the programmers, they use different programming language like Python and so on. But in academia, R is more elegant, more convenient, and we are very used to with R. And also, it is not most efficient programming solution. But yet, if we compare R with other available tools like Python, Stata, SPSS, and Excel, we can see that R is almost a complete package in terms of free, easy to learn, reproducibility for bioinformatics and machine learning. But there is a little steep learning curve for R. So the organizer or the management of the R group, they produce some tools like RStudio, which is called positron. They try to make it, try to merge Python and R and make positron so that one interested in Python can also learn Python, execute Python in R without leaving R and RStudio. So it's new in the market. You can try it your spare time. But overall, we see that R is very good in terms of fulfilling the necessity of the current data analysis or data mining.